Hi guys, Angel Medina here. On today's video, I want to go over what are the best things that you can do if you're trying to get the most value out of your home. And the reason I want to go over this today is because I've been talking to a lot of people, and the one thing that they have been saying before I sell my home or before I decide to purchase another property, I want to find out what my house is worth. Or do some home improvement so I can bring up the value of my home, which is not a bad idea. But I just want to go over why some things are worth more than others as far as how to maximize your dollar. So again, on today's video, I'm going to be going over some of the key factors on what you should be using your money on and some of the things that you more than likely shouldn't, so that way you can get the most out of what you invest in your home and you can get the most back. So again, if you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much if you've already subscribed. And if you haven't, I would ask if you could please consider it. And also, if you could hit the like button if you do like this video, if it is of value to you, you feel that you did get something out of it. I hope you do. And if you notice, there is a little bell there. So if you hit the bell, what that's going to do is notify you every time that I upload a video. So again, Angel Medina, thank you so much for watching this video. Your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you. Okay, so on today's video, like I said, I want to go over, a lot of times I talk to clients and one of the things they tell me is, I first want to fix the countertops or the cabinets in the house. They want to, redo the carpet, let's say, or the roof or the bathroom and paint the house. That way they can get the max out of their home, whether they're looking to sell it or refinance. And I just want to go over some key factors. If you are thinking about, let's just start off with the first one. If you're thinking about refinancing and you just have a lot of repairs that need to be done, and your goal is to first, before the appraiser comes out, fix those repairs, I'm going to give you some key factors on what you should focus on. That way you don't get all your money and put so much into the house that you end up losing a lot more money than you anticipated. So one of the things is, obviously, if your roof is leaking, then yes, you want to make sure and evaluate the roof. And if you can even get someone to go out there and take a look at it if there is a leak, because if anyone, let's say you're selling your house, if anyone is looking to buy it, or let's say that you're refinancing your house, and if the roof is really bad, and you're doing, let's say, a government loan, like a VA loan, there is going to be someone that goes out there and checks your roof. Now, if it's something where it's just worn down and you have a warranty on it, then you want to make sure that that warranty also extends over to the other person, either if you're buying it or if that warranty can actually help you fix that roof. A lot of times I've heard that someone has fixed their roof and they actually had insurance on it, and that insurance, actually they could have used insurance in order to fix it, but decided to do it on their own. And as you can imagine, they may have lost a lot of money. So the roof is important. I would say if that is something that is extremely bad and you know that you need to fix it, then yes, that is a thumbs up. The other thing that I would say is, a lot of times there's a lot of cosmetic things, such as, the walls, they feel that they need to be painted on the interior. The carpet's a little bit dirty. Let's see, just interior things that are really cosmetic. You have to understand, if you put all your money into the house before you refinance it or you sell it, I would suggest first, maybe focus on the things that are going to matter most to the appraiser. Meaning, when you first walk into your house, if the carpet is, let's say, bad, then I would recommend then just getting a carpet cleaner to go out there and clean the carpet. If there's spots here and there, they're not going to focus on the little cosmetic items that are within your house. They're going to look at things that stand out in their mind, such as, let's say they go into your house and there's a big crack in one of the walls and they feel it could be structural damage. Or you have a garage that you built into a room and there's no permit. Or you have something that looks really bad, such as on the outside, meaning, let's say there is actually in the back, you have, let's say, a patio that looks not very stable. They're going to mention things of that nature. So you have to remember, if you first focus on structural damage, whether you're looking to refinance and you're hoping to get the max out of your house versus cosmetic, you're going to put yourself in a much better position. And what I mean by that is, when the appraiser goes out there, it's just an opinion. Their job is to focus on verifying the bedrooms and the bathroom count, and also the square footage. And what they're going to ultimately do is they're going to compare your house to houses that are less than half a mile away and that have sold within the last 6 months. Now, unless your house has absolutely no updates, just to give you an example, and another house that's almost exactly the same as yours has a lot of updates, meaning they did the roof, they did the countertops, they did the cabinets, they redid the flooring with all bamboo wood flooring, and they just did a tremendous amount of work. You have to understand that an appraiser, yes, will take that into consideration, but it's not going to be so tremendous that you putting in, let's say, 60 or even 100,000 into the house, that, you know, they're going to go out and either give you more money if you did put that in, or take away so much. What I would say as that example, if they were comparing it to a house that did, let's say, 100,000 worth of improvements, such as granite countertops, cabinets, flooring, they may take out, let's say, an equivalent to 15, 20, 25,000 of the value of your home. Because again, what they're ultimately doing is they're comparing the square footage, the bedroom and bathroom count, and they're really looking to see if there's any structural damage. So again, if you do want to, let's say, for example, refinance, but before you have the appraiser go out there, the best recommendation I can make is, if you have, let's say, carpet, yeah, get your carpet cleaned, that's fine. If it's really bad, just tidy up. And when the appraiser goes out there, you tell them any upgrades that you have made. Also, you need to tell the appraiser what value that you need in order to do the loan. A lot of appraisers that have gone out there, they have no idea what value you actually need. And even if they did, they're going to be going into it with a mindset of just comparing it. But if you tell them what value you need, they're human beings and they're going to, of course, try and get you that value. So again, if you are looking to refinance, I would say, unless you have structural damage and you're refinancing to get cash out to do home improvement, that is what you want to focus on, is just the structural damage. If you have cosmetic things wrong with the house, little things here and there, then I would say just, have someone maybe spend a day or the weekend cleaning it, making it look nice before the appraiser goes out there. But definitely to save you some money, don't go out of your way to redo the cabinets or, get new flooring or, get a whole new roof just because, you want to get the max value in order to make sure that you can do your loan. There's a lot of people out there who say they want to wait because they don't feel they're going to get the value they need. I would say if there's any time that you should look to see what your house will appraise for is right now. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about in the future of refinancing or selling your house, now would be the best time to at least invest a small amount to get an appraisal done to see if it's going to benefit you, whether you're looking to sell it, whether you're looking to get a lower rate, a lower payment, or whether you're trying to get equity out of your home to pay off a lot of high interest credit card debt. If you wait much longer, it could change. And if there was ever a time that I would reach out to you guys and say now would be the time, then this is it. So again, I hope that helps. If you are thinking about either selling or refinancing, you want to keep in mind, unless you have structural damage, you don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. You don't want to put 20, 30, 60,000 just so an appraiser can make sure and give you very much, little down or little up. Meaning if you put that much money into your house, it's not going to go up that much more. If you put 100,000 into your house, it's not going to go up 100,000 more. So you have to take in consideration what is going to be the smartest and the best decision that you need to do before you end up selling the house or refinancing. And these videos are really just for you to get an idea. Every situation is different. So if you have any questions about this and you want to learn more, feel free to give me a call anytime. I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed already. I really appreciate it. And like I said, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell. If you click on that bell, it's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. And thank you so much again for watching this video. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor.